Ever felt like a project is spinning out of control? Deadlines looming, tasks multiplying like rabbits, and communication a tangled mess? We've all been there. That's where project management tools like ClickUp swoop in, promising to bring order to the chaos. But here's the thing. Collaboration is key, and sometimes you need to involve people who aren't on your team. Freelancers, external vendors, maybe even a client peeking in for updates. ClickUp has a feature called Guests that allows this kind of collaboration, but the big question is, do you have to pay to use ClickUp Guests? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced it depends. Let's dive into the details and explore the world of ClickUp Guests, both free and paid. Free reign, sort of the free ClickUp plan, and Guests. ClickUp offers a generous free plan. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and see if ClickUp fits your needs. Here's the good news. You can absolutely use Guests on the free plan. This allows you to collaborate with external folks on specific projects without having to pay a dime. But there are limitations. With the free plan, you can only add guests to individual tasks. You can't invite them to entire lists, folders, or workspaces, ClickUp's name for project hubs. This means you can't give them a broader view of the project or its overall progress. Think of it like inviting someone to a single room in a house. They can see what's going on in that room, but they can't explore the rest of the house and understand the bigger picture. Guest permissions. Keeping control, free and paid. Here's another thing to keep in mind. Regardless of your ClickUp plan, free or paid, you have control over what guests can do. You can grant them full access to a task, allowing them to edit, comment, and upload files. Or you can limit them to view-only access, which simply allows them to see the task details without making any changes. This level of control ensures that guests can't accidentally mess things up by editing tasks they shouldn't. Scaling up collaboration. Paid ClickUp plans and guest magic. Now, let's say you need more from your guest collaboration. Maybe you want to give them access to entire project sections or workspaces. This is where ClickUp's paid plans come in. Paid plans unlock the ability to add guests to lists, folders, and even workspaces. This gives them a much clearer picture of the project's overall flow and goals. They can see how their tasks fit into the bigger picture, which can lead to smoother collaboration. Paid plans also offer additional guest management features. You can set custom guest permissions for specific folders or lists, allowing for more granular control. Imagine assigning a freelancer view-only access to a client communication folder while giving them full edit access on the task list they're working on. The cost of convenience. Weighing ClickUp's paid plans. ClickUp offers several paid plans, catering to different team sizes and needs. The cost per user per month decreases as you move up in tiers. So, if you plan on having a lot of guest collaborators, a higher tier might be more cost-effective in the long run. Beyond guests. The power of ClickUp members. It's important to note that ClickUp also offers members alongside guests. Members are full-fledged collaborators who get their own ClickUp login. They can create tasks, lists, and even manage their own workspaces. While members are a fantastic option for long-term collaborators, guests offer a more lightweight solution for short-term projects or situations where someone doesn't need full ClickUp functionality. ClickUp guests, free or paid. So, back to the initial question. Do you have to pay to use ClickUp guests? The answer is no, but with limitations. The free plan allows guest collaboration on individual tasks, but paid plans unlock broader project access and more granular control. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs. For simple, task-based collaboration, the free plan's guest feature might be enough. However, if you need more comprehensive project visibility and control, a paid ClickUp plan might be the better investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.